First term, first unit for the first standard. You're going to learn about living and non-living things topic. Okay, so what is the living things? Okay, we can give some example for the living things. It's nothing but plants, animals and human beings. Yeah, what are the example for the non-living things? Stone, soil, air, water, fire, etc. Okay, so what are the topics we are going to learn in this lesson, miss? The learner should be able to. Okay, so I am Harini. I have a puppy. I call him Jimmy. I give him food to eat. He eats it quickly. I play with him. He jump on me. I love him very much. See, so here, what is the topic you're going to learn? Living and then non-living things, isn't it? So for that living things, here one of the small explanation given. So Harini, he is one of the, sorry ma, Harini, she is one of the girl. Okay, she have a puppy. Puppy means you know young ones of the dog. So what is the that puppy name is Jimmy. Okay, that Harini, she is giving a food to eat. Then the puppy will be eat the food, and also after eating the food it can start to grow. That means it will be increasing its size. Okay, next is the dog. It will be, that is the puppy, it will be play with her. Okay, the next day, and also it will be jump. Then from that into what you can understood means, so it is having the living characteristic future. That means what I think, it can eat, it can jump, it can play, it can grow. These all those things will be indicates what? It will be characteristic future of the living things. And also last point, I love him very much. Okay, so here him means the puppy. What is that? A male. So only she'll be said like that. So she love, that means she like more what? That puppy. Okay, here there are another characteristic future of the non-living things. One of the example here given. I have a doll. I call my doll Ammo. I try to feed it. It does not eat or drink. It moves only when I win the key. I like my doll. See children, what here given. So that another example for the non-living things here, what they given? Doll. Okay. So what is the doll name? Ammo. Okay. It will be feed. That means that girl will be started to giving food. Feed means giving the food, even though it cannot eat. Okay. And then one more thing, it does not drink anything. Liquid item also it does not drink, and does not eat any solid food items also. And also it cannot move from one place to the another place. But we are no, the people will be, that is kids will be using many toys and all. When given the key, that means with the help of the battery it was working, or the cell it was working. So when it was given the key, it was moving. Otherwise it does not move. Okay, so but she will like the doll. So here it cannot eat, it cannot move. Okay, so these are all those things will be indicate what? It is the characteristic feature of the non-living things. Understood children? So here given the diagrammatically. So this is the tree. Okay, it is one of the example of the living thing. This is the girl, one of the example of the living thing. See here, here this is the puppy and this is the doll. So it can grow, it can move from one place to another place. Okay, so like that various example you have studied already. So this is the doll, it cannot move from one place to the another place. See what she was going to say. So Harini wondered why her puppy ate food but her doll did not. Do you know why? Let us find out. See, that Harini has wondered. Wonder means what? வியக்கிறது. Why that puppy will be eat, but the doll will not eat. So, what is the difference between them? So, like that, she asking the questions. Yes, now we are going to learn about the living things. So living things eat, grow, move and have young ones. So they also breathe and feel. So what is that meaning children? Living things eat, it can take its food, it can drink, then grow, it will be increasing its height. Okay, and also weight. Then move, it can moving from one place to the another place. Then it has the young one. That means, for example, dog means it gives the puppy its young one. So they also breathe and then feel. It can breathe means or respire. Feel means any changes will be takes place means it can identify. Okay, that will be given diagrammatically. So this is one of the girls is example for the living things. She will eat, so I eat. So it is the characteristic feature of living. And then grow, see small into increasing the height. Okay, that is the example for living things. And then I can play, that living things can move from one place to the another place. Next, I am a living being. Okay, what are that means? See, living things eat, already we are known. From that into living things will be eat, living things will be grow, living things will be move. So here is another example of the living things. It can eat its food. Okay, that is one boy is there. Then birds, animals. Okay, these also animal only. Squirrel. Okay, the cow, squirrel, grow. அதாவது லிவிங் திங்ஸ் என்னவாகும், க்ரோ ஆகும் சொல்லிக்கிறாங்க. இட் வில் பி இன்க்ரீசிங் இஸ் height. So plant if they given, first it will be the small, then after sometimes over means it be increasing its size, then it be growing very nice. So like the human being, from the baby into human. Okay, so many stages is there, it will be growing. So what they given here, plant a seed and watch it grow. So in the soil you want to plant one seed, then afterwards you want to observe it, what changes will be happening. So after some days over means it started to germinate and started to grow, and then from that into it can become a new plant. Okay, next is sequence the pictures. Here the first and last one given. First one will be the seed, and then last one from the seed into one plant started to grow. In between what are the steps will be there, you should want to make it the arrow mark. Okay, so first stage seed, then from the seed into start germinate. Okay, so small part will be emerging from the seed, we want to come to the second column. And then third column, what is the, this from that seed into the root part, and then small stem part will be increased its size, it will be in the third column. And then fourth column, this diagram it will be started still more growth. And then last one, this. Okay, this want to come to under the fourth. So at last the final, it will be very well developed plants. Okay, the next thing, tick those that need food to live. Here many pictures will be given. In that, some will be example for the living and some other will be the non-living things. So we are known living things means will need the food, non-living things it does not need the food. So living things means you should want to tick it, that means it will be need the food, otherwise you give the int mark. Okay, that is a wrong mark. It is the stone, so it does not need food, I am given the cross or the int. Dog is the living, it need the food, so tick. This is the feather, it does not need the food, so int. And then monkey, it need the food, so I am given the tick. Pen does not need the food, int. Elephant need the food, so I am given the tick. Next heading, living things move from one place to another. So they given many example for the living things, and also how it was moving from one place to the another place they will be given. Okay, so this is the horse. Okay, it will be moving from one place to another. Lizard, and then bird, earthworm. Okay, next thing, living things have young ones, it will producing its young one. Okay, for example, what is the young one of the hen means chick, then what is the young one of the lion means cub, and human being babies. Okay, next living things feel, living things breathe. So feel means it has the affection, and also it will be take care of its young one, etc. And also it will be breathe, that means it will be take the oxygen, that means it will be involved in the respiration process. Understood, children? This cat is hungry, help the cat reach the milk. See children, from there into using the pencil you want to go one way, at last you want to enter into the milk. So using the pencil you try it up, you make the line, and that line at last want to end with the milk. Okay, you try it yourself. Next, connect the baby with its mother by drawing a line. Okay, so this side the baby is given and this side mother is given. You should want to link that one, that means you want to connect, you want to join. Okay, so what is this one? This is nothing but cub. It is the young one of the tiger. So you want to join with the tiger. What is this? This is the chick. So this is the young one of hen. Here the mother is there here. Okay. Then what is this one? This is also cub only. This is the young one of the lion. Okay, you want to join with the lion. So what is this one? Calf. This is the young one of the goat. Sorry children, this is not goat, this is the cow. Okay, so calf is the young one of cow. So long you studied about the living things. Now we are going to learn about the non-living things. Okay, so some characteristic feature about the non-living things they will be given. Okay, first it do not eat. Non-living things the food வந்து சாப்பிடாது. Next it do not grow, it do not breathe, and then do not have young ones, do not feel, and then do not move. So these are all characteristic feature of what a non-living things. Okay, next look at the pictures. Use the first letters to get the words cat and dog. See children, what is this name? Car. So what is the first letter of the car? C. Okay, second word, what is this one? Aeroplane. What is the first letter? A. Then what is this one? Table. What is the first letter? T. See the three words you should want to see it. You want to connect the only first letter. C A T. What is the word you can get? Cat. C A T. Want to write in this box. C A T. What C A T? Cat. Okay. Next second letters. Second pictures you want to observe. What is this one? Doll. This is one oil. And this one gate. What is the first letter? D O G. What is the word you want to write? D O G. Dog. Look at the pictures. Okay, so can you see a mountain, a river, a pond, and a lake? See children, so they will ask question to you. So this is one of the picture. Okay, you can see here mountain. Okay, and also what is this one? Rivers. Okay, then pond, lake. So these are the things you can see here. So mountains are made up of rocks and then soil. Mountain out is made up of, it is made up of the rocks and then soil. So then rivers, pond and lakes are full of water. Seeing this picture means this is the river. Okay, this is the pond, this is the lake. This all those things filled with water. Okay, next thing, the river, pond and lake are full of water. Already told this point. Next, soil and water help plants to grow. So this water and then soil helpful for growth of the plants. Okay. Next, we get our food from plants. Where we are getting from the food? Our food. We are eating the fruits, vegetables, rice. These and all from where we are getting is from the plants. So we breathe air. Air, water and soil are non-living things. So can we live without them? See children, we are breathing. Okay, for that what will be useful? Air is useful. Okay, but that air, water, soil, this all those things example of what a non-living things. They ask one question to you. Without them, that means without air, water, soil, you can live? No, it cannot possible. Okay. Next, they given vocabulary: air, water, soil, river, mountain, pond, lake, sea. These all those things nothing but example of the non-living things. Okay, next, observe the picture of life in water. So this is the sea. There are so many living things in it. See children. So one of the example given. So what is this one? This is the sea. Here many things will be present. That is the living and as well as non-living things and all present. There is a sea animals. Okay, like starfish, whale, fishes, different variety of the fishes, even certain types of the plants. These all those things will be present in the sea. See children, here rhymes time they given. Okay, you practice your any music, what song you are liking, like that music you try to these words. Okay, by using these are the words you make the new rhyme. Okay, so for example, fly like an eagle in the sky. So like that only two lines I'm given. What music, what way you are want to sing, like that you try it of these rhymes. Okay, next, color the parts marked with a dot. Okay, here wherever marked dot, okay, that you want to color it yellow. Next, the parts with a cross means int is there, no, that you want to color it with the green color, and the rest blue, remaining and all you want to color it with the blue color. What do you see? So after coloring you want to observe what they will be given. Observe the pictures, differentiate the living things from the non-living things, give reason. So here in this diagram various pictures given. Okay, tree is there, human beings there, animals are there. Okay, and also certain other things and all there. Then house, okay, air, like that different types of table, like that different types of the things and all will be there. Okay, so what given, what are the living and non-living things? If in this you are seeing means plants, human beings, animals, these are all example of what a living things. Okay, then house, table, then vehicles, these are all example of non-living things. What is the main difference? Living things, it can move from one place to the another place. Non-living things, it cannot move from one place to the another place. Okay, that is the main difference here.